Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November the 1st on a Wednesday, and taking a look here at the SPY, we've had a couple of days of bounce for gapping up a little bit this morning, heading right, probably with the date with this 10-period moving average, which is down sloping. That's going to be the first hurdle if you want to get some constructive bullish price action going here. We do have a breakdown from this 420 level also as well, which is a big pivot level. So be careful out there. Wait for your pitch. I'm not going to look at the Qs, and IWM is still struggling, but let's take a look at some setups here. This SPR is kind of first on the list here, and it is a earnings play. And what I like about it, it is gapping up out of this range right now, and you got a pivot level right here around 2350 that if it does get through, you got a lot of clear air to the next high on that one right there. So keep an eye on that SPR. A couple of big boys. Looking at Microsoft, I like the way it's holding up. Came down after earnings, tested its 20, back above all its moving averages now, and looks like it may want to press higher if the market will let it. So Netflix is another one, kind of the same setup. After earnings, you're above all your moving averages. So those are kind of some nice, decent setups there. But keep in mind, these boys are going to trade with the market. I'm going to show you PDD. I picked this one up yesterday, and in this market environment, this is kind of what I like to do a lot of times. I like to wait for my pitch, and this one came all the way down yesterday, and I was able to pick up some right at the 50-day moving average, just taking advantage of the people coughing up their shares. One other one real quick to look at, UUU. Like the way this is setting up. Okay, this if it breaks above, let's call it this 8, 14, 15 level, could have a nice move in UUU. All right, have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep it tight. Bye-bye.